the motor works with direct current. Yes, the motor works with direct current, whereas the loudspeaker works with alternating current. That is the difference between the two. Are you clear? So what is direct current? Current flowing in one direction only. Alternative current, current changes direction continuously, right? So a motor works with direct current, whereas the loudspeaker works with alternative current. So remember that. That is the main difference between the two. Okay? So now let's see how a loudspeaker works. An alternative current or a signal arrives at this speaker coil. What is this called? A speaker coil, right? So alternative current arrives at the speaker coil. Now we have learned that according to right hand grip rule, if there is a current flow in the coil, there will be a circular magnetic field pattern, correct? But here, since it is alternative current, the circular magnetic field produced here is alternating, right? So alternating current produces an alternating magnetic field. Did you understand the difference? In the motor, the direct current flows through the coil. So the direct current produces a circular magnetic field. That circular magnetic field is fixed there. But in the in the loudspeaker, alternative current is flowing, so there is an alternating magnetic field around the coil. Did you understand? That alternating magnetic field of the speaker coil overlaps with the permanent magnetic field, which is the uniform magnetic field between the permanent magnets, right? Now this creates not just a force, it creates an alternating force. What does it create? An alternating force. That alternating force causes the speaker coil to vibrate. Alternating force causes the speaker coil to vibrate. When the speaker coil vibrates, speaker coil is connected to the speaker cone, which is also called a paper cone, right? When the speaker coil vibrates, the paper cone vibrates. When the paper cone vibrates, it produces a sound. Are you clear? Right? So once again, loudspeaker works with alternative current. An alternating current or an alternating signal arrives at the loudspeaker. Okay? This alternating current creates an alternating magnetic field in the speaker coil. This alternating magnetic field overlaps with the uniform magnetic field between the permanent magnets. This creates an alternating force according to Fleming's left hand rule. That alternating force creates the speaker coil to vibrate. The coil is connected to the speaker cone vibrates. Are you clear? Yes? Can I explain you again? Right. An alternative current or a signal arrives at the speaker coil. This alternating current produces an alternating magnetic field in the speaker coil according to right hand grip rule, right? So that alternating magnetic field overlaps or interacts with the permanent magnetic field of the opposite poles of this permanent magnet. This creates an alternating force according to Fleming's left hand rule. That alternating force causes the speaker coil to vibrate. When it vibrates, since the coil is connected to the paper cone, when the speaker coil vibrates, paper cone or speaker cone vibrates. This vibration produces a sound. Are you clear? Are you 100%? Right. So now I will list down all the points for you to write down. Okay? We have to study now how a loudspeaker works. First one, an alternating current or a signal arrives at the speaker. This alternating current produces alternating magnetic field in the speaker coil.
Sir,
Yes.
what's the word after signal?
Arrives. Okay. This alternating current produces an alternating magnetic field in the speaker coil according to right hand grip rule. This alternating magnetic field interacts with the permanent magnetic field of the permanent magnets.
You mean uniform, right?
Yes, you can write uniform, it's not a problem. Okay? You can write magnetic field interacts with the permanent magnetic field of the permanent magnet. Why? I can't hear you.
Can you explain the magnet part?
First write this down, I'll explain again. Right? This alternating magnetic field interacts with the permanent magnetic field of the permanent magnet. And produces an alternating force according to Fleming's left-hand rule. This alternating force vibrates the speaker coil. Speaker coil is connected to the paper core. Paper core vibrates, producing the sound. Right? Keywords: alternating current. Alternating current produces alternating magnetic field according to right hand grip rule. Alternating magnetic field interacts with the permanent magnetic field. You can also write uniform magnetic field. Either way. Produces an alternating force according to Fleming's left hand. Alternating force vibrates the speaker coil. This causes paper cone to vibrate, producing the sound. This is the perfect answer to how a loudspeaker works. If you can study it, if you get the loudspeaker, easy 5 marks.
So after the oscillator part, what?
Which one?
After the vibrating part.
Where?
Alternating force.
Which point was first one, second one, third one, fourth one, fifth one?
Alternating force causes the speaker coil to.
Alternating force vibrates the speaker coil. Speaker coil is connected to the paper cone. Paper cone vibrates, producing the sound. Okay, did you all understand this? Yes, do you find the difference between the motor and the loudspeaker? Motor works with direct current, loudspeaker works with alternating current. Direct current produces a fixed circular magnetic field, whereas the alternative current produces a alternating magnetic field. That is the clear difference between the two. Okay? Clear difference between the two. This alternating force vibrates the speaker coil.